2018 Volvo V60 review. It's the fashionable successor what it most iconic of the Swedish cars, the square-cut Volvo wagon. Volvo features a history of making cool wagons and remains focused on them. A great example may be the 2018 Volvo V60. This compact wagon shares its engines, general exterior dimensions and interior planning with the company's V60 sedan, but provides greater interior cargo space. Aside from that, exactly the same premium qualities from the sedan, including its comfortable seats and ride comfort, are there within the wagon. An all-wheel drive powertrain can be obtained to provide extra traction in inclement weather. It's also ideal for putting the electricity down from the V60 redesigned trim, which cranks out a stout 302 horsepower. Regardless of trim, all V60s feature 402/040 split-folding seatbacks with optional integrated child booster seats. Also available is Volvo's technology package, such as safety features, for example queue assist and distance alert. While these traits might draw you in, you need to be aware from the V60's compact size. It could be a deal breaker in the event you haul gear more frequently than people. While it has more cargo space as opposed to S60 sedan, the V60 remains outmatched by almost every other luxury crossover SUVs. Also, the spine seating is tight, and adults won't wish to be back there for too much time. Overall, though, we like the V60. For those searching for a stylish wagon, or perhaps something different compared to luxury crossover norm, it's definitely worth considering. What's new? Aside coming from a reshuffling of trims and packages, the 2018 Volvo V60 wagon is unchanged from 2017. The base T5 trim is not really available, helping to make the Dynamic the newest base model. For our money, we'd start together with the T5 Dynamic and all-wheel drive, then add heated front seats and leader, navigation and Harman Kardon premium sound, and the two vision and technology packages. These packages put in a full digital dash, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision mitigation, and lane keeping assist. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Volvo V60 can be a 5-seat luxury wagon obtainable in multiple trims. The T5 Dynamic may be the base model, also it comes with leather seats, a turbocharged engine, and either front or all-wheel drive. Upping the electricity, the T6 redesign features all-wheel drive, a sports activity suspension, and specific interior and exterior trim pieces. The T5 Dynamic is powered by the turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, 240 horsepower, 258 lb-ft, and sends capacity to either the leading or all four wheels by using an 8-speed automatic transmission. The T5 comes standard with 18-inch wheels, a sunroof, xenon headlights, leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, driver seat memory settings, and 402/040 split-folding rear seats. Also standard is Volvo's Sensors Connect infotainment system that features a 7-inch central computer screen, Bluetooth, voice controls, a USB port, as well as an 8-speaker stereo audio with a CD player and satellite and HD radio. A few option packages are offered to augment the V60's list of features. The Vision package is included with keyless ignition and entry, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, rear parking sensors, a rear view camera, plus a digital gauge cluster display. Adding the technology package nets you adaptive cruise control, automatic wipers, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning and mitigation, automatic high beams, and also a driver drowsiness monitor. An available climate package adds heated windshield wiper nozzles, a heated leader, back and front seats, as well as an interior air quality monitoring system. This package can also include integrated rear booster seats. There's also a package that gets a navigation system along with a premium Harman Kardon sound system, plus a sport package includes 19-inch wheels, a hobby-tuned suspension, steering wheel mounted shift paddles, and adjustable modes for the steering. The T6 redesign is sold with a more robust turbo and supercharged 2.0-litre engine, 302 horsepower, 295 lb-ft and standard all-wheel drive. It includes most in the T5's option packages, for instance the Sport package, navigation and Harman Kardon system, and technology and vision packages. The T6 also features design-specific outer trim including grille, rear fascia, and silver window surrounds and roof rails. Due on the T6's large standard features list, the only real options a buyer should consider would be the climate package, integrated rear booster seats, blind spot monitoring, and front and back park assist. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which might be fundamentally similar. The S with this review derived from our full test on a 2015 Volvo V60 T5 Drive wagon turbo 2.0 litres inline 4, 8-speed automatic, FWD. Note: since this test was conducted, the existing Volvo V60 has brought some revisions, including a shuffling of options and trim packages. Our findings remain applicable for this year's Volvo V60, though. This base engine-equipped, front-wheel drive V60 with all the optional sport package is usually a real gem, with impressive acceleration, braking and handling. Compared to luxury crossovers and other premium wagons that peers might consider, the V60 is usually a standout performer. Acceleration. A 6.4 second dash to 60 miles per hour is quick, even among Europe's best. The 240 horsepower, 2.0-litre turbo 4-cylinder is key for this performance, as is really a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic. Braking. The brakes are powerful despite a softish pedal feel. They exhibited confident, consistent and straight brake performance in this simulated panic stops. That soft pedal manufactured for linear and stops out and about. Steering. The steering is properly weighted using a direct action, although not busy or nervous at highway speeds. It provides for a good balance of control and comfort. Handling. Our test car featured the Sport package, which sharpens handling considerably. Confident cornering and exemplary grip also showed up within our testing, with near-record performances. Driveability. Unlike other sorts of small turbocharged engines, the one with this Volvo feels alert and responsive, so does the transmission. Steering and handling are rewarding and predictable. This car is evenly happy by using an interstate or mountain road. Comfort. The V60 offers uncommon comfort and quietness, enhanced by our test car's optional sport package, which included some fantastic front seats. Seat comfort. The leather front sport seats are perfectly contoured for both lateral support and comfort. There are few better. The outer rear seats can also be deeply contoured, making the middle position higher and well suited to children. Ride comfort. Even while using sport suspension and summer performance tires, the ride comfort was excellent. Pretty much any premium car or crossover can be proud to give the control and smooth ride with this V60. Noise and vibration. Engine noise is well isolated, even under full acceleration. Wind and road noise can be dispersed and never an issue. Interior. The interior with the V60 looks, functions and presence since the premium wagon added must be, although it needs a better infotainment controller. Cargo and visibility are limited, as you would expect in the compact wagon, so a crossover or SUV generally is a better choice for most. Ease beneficial. The center stack is appealing, though the infotainment interface is long overdue on an ergonomic update. The reconfigurable digital instrument panel is very useful with large, clear graphics. Easy to temp controls. Acquiring it jetting out. Like a sedan, the V60 wagon has sensible seat height and appropriately sized doors which will make getting in and out a breeze. The same goes with a low cargo floor at the spine. Most crossovers and SUVs can't say the identical. Roominess. This Volvo wagon prioritizes seating room over cargo, so passengers enjoy more space in this particular small wagon in comparison to many of its direct competitors, especially the spine occupants. Visibility. There are a couple of blind spots to the trunk, nevertheless the push-button folding rear headrests make things easier. Parking aids, back and front cameras, blind spot monitoring and lane keeping assist can be found. Quality. Volvo's track record of building a solid car is intact together with the all-new V60. The car feels well put together, with nice materials throughout. Utility. The V60 gives a reasonable level of luggage and cargo space. With the corner seats folded, there's 43.8 cubic feet available. Technology. The one place where the V60 arises short is infotainment. While the standard system features USB, Bluetooth and satellite radio, it lacks advanced smartphone integration.